Hi, welcome to our channel Z Travel Talks. Today I want to bring you all with me to a beautiful river safari in Nilwala Ganga, the most important river in southern Sri Lanka. This lovely river flows through the southern province, mostly the Matera area. This river starts from green forests, Sinaraj, and nearby hills. Then it travels through small villages, green paddy fields, and wetlands. It helps plants grow, animals drink water, and people live happily and finally reach the blue sea. Isn't it amazing? Let's go and explore this beautiful river together. While we explore, let's play Bubbles Pop Game 2. It's so fun. You can see green mangrove trees and beautiful river forests alongside. This is home for many animals. You can see a lot of colorful birds flying around and reptiles rest near the river banks. If you look carefully, sometimes you may even see crocodile quietly swimming in the calm water. Because the river is full of nature and wildlife, many people visit this place to enjoy eco-tours and fun boat safaris. If you come on sunny day, don't forget to bring sunscreen. This place is so calm and beautiful. Look, sir! So many bats are hanging on the trees like little black umbrellas. They are sleeping quietly while the river is calm. It feels spooky but also amazing to see them so closely. Do you know how this river got its name, Nilwala Ganga? It's because long ago, its water looked clear and blue in many places. The river was shiny and clean like the sky. But now, the water looks a little muddy, especially in rainy season because the rain brings soil and sand into the river. Even though the river is still beautiful and full of life. Peekaboo! Now we are searching for a crocodile. The boat is moving slowly and I am starting to feel a little sleepy. The guide told us this is the place where crocodiles usually rest. But when we came closer, the crocodile quickly slipped into the water. I saw it just a little but couldn't capture it on camera. Maybe it was too hot for the crocodile to rest at this time. So, if you want to see crocodiles, it's better to come in the evening when weather is cooler. Finally, we came to the end of the river's long journey. This beautiful place is called the River Delta, where the river meets the big blue sea. It looks so magical to watching the river and sea meeting together. Here the water slowly says goodbye to land and happily joins the ocean. It's time to say goodbye to you too. See you next journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!